Morning to all of you. Day first North America 2021. As you know that कि this year this month this today Day first India has completed in India regions 2021. So next Day first North America 2021 will be date on November 19 2021 to November 20. It is a 2 days program now, and it will be 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in November. So event is United States of America. So important point are here. You can register if you want to join this event at Day Fest. You can register from this. After clicking this, you can register from this site. So now let's see bringing the dev community together. Okay, so many points are here. One point are here: demo workshop and codables live about the latest developer technologies. What to expect? क्या क्या हो सकते हैं यहाँ पे देखा गया है. Talk and session to discuss recent share experience within the tech industry, mentorships and career support from senior developers. Say referral prize and giveaways on your story workshops, leadership skill workshop, Google Cloud credits and swag bundles and more. ठीक है. So swag bundle and more में क्या होगा मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. So this is a welcome to the Google Store. So many swag bundles and more. मतलब the win a Google Pixel 6, Pixel Buds, A series, Stadia controllers, Pixel Book Go and Google Nest Hub and swag bundles. So many prizes are here. You can see here Pixel 4a. These are the so many prizes are. If you are participate and win some quizzes, after complete the quiz and you win in this, you can definitely gain some win prizes now here. And now one more thing I have just check them. What is this? Build what next better software faster. So this is build skills, cloud SDK, cloud SQL, cloud computing. So many. After complete this, you can easily gain some credits from this side. Google Cloud credits, win Google Cloud credits, voucher worth rupees $200 USB, redeemable in the cloud console. ठीक है ना. If you participate, definitely you win. All the members जो participate in this event definitely win this some credits points now here. It's the dollar. Its price will be near about $2,000 USB. So now next will be speakers names. So many. Who is this announcing our speaker? Already speakers announcing the opening keynote speaker is Jason Titus, VP of Engineer Google's, and other already prefers are Priyanka, Lezons, Megha, Mehta. ठीक है. So many speakers are here. You can show here. And now this is schedule of this program. Now day 1 Friday November 19 2021. Agenda overviews. मतलब track 1 10 am PST welcome remark. फिर 10:05 to 12:45 announcing soon. फिर 20:55 cloud experts. फिर 11:25 to serverless applications, building scalable machine learning, pipelining with Vertex AI, and of that 2 p.m. Closing remark is 2 p.m. Same thing here. Day 2 वही same thing. Turn to track 1 and welcome remark and keynote, panels, web expert, JavaScript, tech tales, moment break, and after the end of that 1:35 to 2:35 p.m. workshop and cloud study jams. So this is a 2 days workshop here. Okay, this is a 1 day track 1 and track 2 है ना. Beginner container and advanced container. If you want to join beginner container, advanced container, decide on your side. And these are the two phases, track 1 and track 2. Same here, same with track 1 and track 2 also in this next day also. Now advanced content and the beginner and applied skill containers. These are two track 1 and track 2 now. So if you want to join this course, so decided which track you will join now. Next one is how to register in this event now. The first email ID you can put here. Just first write down the email address. Okay, and now full name, last name, country. India है, which he and hims. I am a Google developer, JDG organizer या कौन develop experts, none of the above. Click here. Which chapter, JDG chapter developer community names. What is your current roles, मतलब entry levels, middle level या senior level या executive levels. Definitely if you are new, so you are start beginner, तो entry level is right now. ठीक है. फिर आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन लर्निंग मोर अबाउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गूगल डेवलपर प्रोग्राम, मतलब वुमन या गूगल डेवलपर ग्रुप JDG या फिर डेवलप स्टूडेंट क्लब्स DSC या फिर गूगल डेवलपर एक्सपर्ट्स अदर. एंड हाउ डू यू हेयर अबाउट द डेवफर्स्ट नॉर्थ अमेरिका, आपने कहाँ से इसको बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन गूगल सर्च से कि आपको उसमें क्लिक करना है. यस एंड नो, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल एम्प्लॉयज़ और नॉट, आर यू गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल और या एम्प्लॉयज़, यस एंड नो. डेफिनेटली एंड नन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अगर आप इफ़ यू आर नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज, please write your organization name, and after submitting then it will be registered in this fast now. So it is a very next DevFest North America. This is after complete the India DevFest, it will be next will be DevFest North America 2021. So please join this event. North America and regional DevFest globals. This is the next one is now. USA and Canada भी है. This one is, and next one is regional DevFest globals. ठीक है. This is the event in 2021 now. Clear है? If you want to join this event, तो please register from this link. Click this link. Click the register buttons and you can join this event now.